Hey guys, so Happy New Year. For the new year, I think we are going to hop back into home improvement projects. And this time I am going to um, tackle putting an LED strip basically along the width of the entire garage door. I kind of wanted to light up that area. And so if I'm going to put a strip light there, I probably like to create a little soffit pocket in order for it to live in. And so I went ahead and gotten a pre-cut piece, something that's like this. I'll bring it up here so that you guys visually could know what I'm actually doing. So really, I'm going to nail in a piece. It's going to be sitting on top here, and that the light is going to be inside that pocket so that you don't see it in your face, and it does create sort of a soffit cove light condition. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm going to basically drill this hole for the pilot on the wiring of the LED light. That's where the LED wires will come from. Pilot hose done. You just feed the line through to the other side. Feeding the line to the other side. We'll patch this hole up a little bit later. Okay, so it's time to plug up the hole. Sometimes I actually like to put in some insulation or some backer rod so that you're not just totally filling up that hole with like all caulk, so that it has somewhere to stop if it's a big enough or a deep enough hole. Right, you just give it enough backing there, and then you would go ahead and squirt in some caulk and then finish it off. Okay, so this is I think where the fun part starts. So the strip light's up. We could test that out a little bit later. Drill that hole. I'm gonna put that trim piece up. I would say air tools is your friend. I'm gonna use a finishing nailer to put it up. Hopefully I'll make quick work of it. So I would say nail gun is your friend. This is a finishing gun. Makes the work a little bit quicker. You're not out there hammering stuff and denting up the material. Yeah. So hopefully in the next scene here, then we could get to see like what the lighting looks like. Because I'm kind of excited about it too. Probably going to put maybe a Wemo or smart outlet plug on it, so that you can, say, Siri or Alexi, turn on garage lighting. These little shrink wrap guys. Get yourself a heat gun. It's right here, and then shrink them. I do like to have an overwrap so that I could loop it back over the individual ones. It's very similar to the or same exact idea as when I did the pantry in the kitchen. So you basically would just slip it over. It's a little bit cleaner in my mind. So you have one big fat guy here, right? So it looks a little bit cleaner. And then we'll shrink wrap this. So here we have it hooked up to the a Wemo switch, and hopefully then I could just say to Siri and whatnot to turn on garage light. Turn on garage.
Understood.
least listen this time. So actually it looks pretty decent. You know, I'm gonna test it out to see how warm I like it in terms of the light temperature. I'm usually on the softer, warm, white side of things, but I think the project came out okay. So this will sort of give you some idea of like how that looks like in terms of the overall effect. But you know, it's actually a pretty fun project. All right, so I think it project came out pretty good. So if you like what I'm doing, you gotta hit the subscribe button down there on the lower right. You gotta smash it actually, because you know I thought I was gonna get 100 like subscribers by the end of the year, but obviously it did not happen. But I'm actually having a lot of fun with doing this, so I will see you next time. All right, bye.